Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the another part of this logic circuits, and in which today we will see the K mapping or Korn mapping, which is for the reduction of the logic functions or the logical functions in a different way. Somehow in a truth table point of view we can reduce these logical expressions or the functions. In the previous part we have seen how to simplify the expressions using the Boolean laws or the Boolean rules, algebra laws. And here is one another method that simplifying or reducing the logical functions with K mapping. And there are 2, 3, 4 variable mapping is to be there, which gives simplification in a different fashion. So as again before going to simplifying it, first we have to clear it that what type of that example or the expression is. Either it is in the soft form or either it is in the POS form, and according to that variables are very important, complemented or uncomplemented, that we can decide. As far as the cell part, or the how many expressing this K mapping, the according to the variables these cells are going to be used. For the 2 variables, no doubt 4 cells will be there. For the 3 variables there will be 8 cells, and for the 4, that is 2 raised to 4, that is 16 cells will be used. And no doubt how many number of variables, according to that the 2 raised to n number of cells will be used. So here it is simply for the soft form, no doubt wherever the any expression is given, we can understand either it is in the POS or the soft form. And for the 2 variables, this can be represented using the 4 cells, and that is somehow it is A and B, suppose 2 variables, and that can be expressed with this cells. And that is if suppose it is A complement B complement, then it is 0 0, because for the soft form we know that complemented is 0 and uncomplemented is always to be as an 1. So for the simplification or for expressing in the K mapping for the soft form expression, we have to use this cell or the K mapping, which is to be completely in a gray code system. And that's why it is having this type of the structure, that is, excuse me, A, that 0 1 values, and B is 0 1 values, and according to that either as the number of inputs are going to be 4, probabilities are 4, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 is to be there. So to represent this, which is to be 0 0, it is A complement B complement. For the 0 1, it is no doubt this is 0 1. So as we know that A complement B, because complement is 0 in the soft form, and this is 2 means 1 0, that is A B complement is will be there. And for this AB, that is not complemented part, both will be original. So these K 4 cells are basically used for 2 variables, and which can be used for either soft form or the POS form. Here is the part for the 3 cells, and definitely 8 inputs will be there, and the values will be 0 1 2 3 6 7 4 5 cells value are to be given. So according to that, this A B and C 3 variable is to be there. So again, this for the 4 variable, this cells will be 16, and that will be like this, and having the values according to that, it is 0 1 1 3 1 1 means 3, and it is 2, and it is 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 8 9 11 10. So this is somehow in a gray code part it is going to be used, and somehow it is structured likewise that. So both the way, either POS form or the SOP form we can use. So here is the both the K mapping is given. So for this case, if you look at this left hand side, A is to be for the SOP form, and that's why 0 is nothing but to be represented A complement B complement, 1 is A complement B. For the 2 1 0, that means A B complement, and for the 3 it is AB. So if you look at, these are the products, and sum of the product, that is SOP, will be the expressing the SOP form. It is this K map is going to be used as this type of the. But either for the POS, this is right hand side, where it is to be product of sum. This is the sums are there, and that will be product will be there. And no doubt assigned values will be also going to be changing. Here uncomplemented will be 0, that's why A or B, and for the complemented it is going to be 1. So this is what the difference as far as the POS or the SOP form is to be there. Again, for the going for the another part, that is for the K mapping for the 3 variable, it is also given in this fashion, that is 0 0 0, that is A complement B complement C complement, 0 0 1, that is A complement B complement C, 0 1 0 A complement B C complement, again 0 1 1 A complement B C, 1 1 0 A B C complement, 1 1 1, that is A B C, again 1 0 0, that is A B complement C complement, again 1 0 1, that is A B complement C. And these are the for the lower will be for used for the POS form, but as our syllabi is focused for the SOP, that's why we will see in detail for the SOP form. Similarly, here is the structure for the 4 variables, and for the simple case, that is 0 0 0, it is A complement B complement C complement D complement. So likewise, these are the structures. According to that, complemented will be part as a 0, and uncomplimented will be 1 is assigned for the SOP form. So using this structure, we can simplify or the reduce the logical function. So here is one example given. So if you look at this case, where the example is A B C, or A B complement C, or A B complement C complement. If you look at this, is simply giving us a clear idea that is for the 3 variable case is to be there. So 3 variables are used, and in this case the 3 variables, no doubt it is the clearly indicating it is the sum of the product, that is product is sum, that's why it is the SOP form, and that's why uncomplemented will be assigned 1 and complemented will be assigned 0. So ABC will having the value 1 1 1, that is nothing but to be 7. A B complement C definitely 1 0 1, that it means 5, 1 2 4, that is 4 plus 1 5, and A B complement C complement, that will be 1 0 0, that is having the value 4 is to be there. So mean terms, if we calculate, it will be in a sequence. If we will write, it is 4 5 7 is to be there. So mean terms now we have to represent in the K map. So we have this relationship or the K mapping for the 3 variable. So in this case, we have the result for mean terms calculated, that is 4 5 and 7. Now how to represent it? That's what we have to see. First 4 value is to be here. If you look at this case, this 4 is value here, and that's why we will put 1 inside this cell. So that is having the value 4, but how it is to be there? A B C is to be there. If you look at this case, how this 4 is coming, that is 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 means here uncomplemented will be having value A, and that is A B complement C complement. This will give us value 4. So definitely this 4 is nothing but to be represented here. So this is what the 4, A B complement C complement. Look at this 4 value. For the 5, no doubt here it is to be, you have to, in this cell you have to put 1, and for the 7 you have to put it 1 here. So if you look at this case also, 1 1 1 1, that is 3 times 1s are to be there, and that's why we have to write 1 inside this. remaining all the factors or the remaining all the cells you can keep at it is, or it is assigned as a 0, means there is no product is used in this mean terms, or the expression is to be there. Here is one another example for the 4 variable, and this is a complement, b complement, c complement, d complement, a b c complement, d complement, or a complement b c complement d, a b complement c complement d, or a complement b c d. So again we have to find mean terms, that is complemented part will be 0 0 0, so it is 0, and again a b c complement d complement, that is 1 1 0 0. If we calculate it, it will gives us 1 2 4 8, that means 12, that's why it is 12. It is a complement, that is 0, b means 1, c complement means 0, a d means 1, that is will be 5, so here the value will be 5. Similarly we have a b complement, c complement means 1 0 0 1, sorry, it will be, yes, that means to be 1 2 4 8, that will be 9, and that is why mean term will be 9. Again it is a complement b c d, that means 0 1 1 1, that means 7 is to be there. So mean terms are 0 5 7 9 12. So according to that we have to represent where the value is to be, there you have to put 1. So in that case the 0 will be definitely one cell, that is 1 you have to write, put up here, and for the 5 you have to put the 1 here in this cell, and for the 7 you have to write 1 here, because the value for this cell will be 7, and for the 9 you have to put this 1 inside this cell, and for the 12 you have to write here it is 1. Why it is to be 12 here? Because if you look at a b c d, where the values will be 1 1 0 0, that means a b c complement d complement will be there, and according to that 1 1 0 0, that will be the 12, and that's why we can put 1 here. So remaining part you have to keep at it is, and that's why the representation for this k map for the 4 variables are there. You can go to reverse also, from k mapping to you can also get the expression also, so that way also you can get the simplifications are also to be there. So thank you for joining this session. Be at home and be safe. Thank you.